Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 23rd October 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here doesn't represent our opinions, but reflects news items circulating in public media. In a surprising legal twist, Alcon Entertainment, the producers of Blade Runner 2049, have filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk, Tesla, and Warner Bros. Discovery. The lawsuit, lodged in Los Angeles, accuses them of copyright infringement for using AI-generated images from the film during Tesla's robotaxi launch. Alcon claims these images were used without permission, despite their explicit refusal due to Musk's controversial reputation. The lawsuit seeks to prevent further use of the film's elements, citing potential confusion with their upcoming Blade Runner 2099 series. Elon Musk's potential tax advantage is making headlines as Donald Trump eyes a return to the presidency. If Trump wins and appoints Musk to a government role, Musk could access a significant tax benefit usually reserved for government officials. This scenario raises questions about the intersection of politics and personal finance, highlighting the influence of wealthy individuals in government. The potential tax break underscores ongoing debates about tax policy and its impact on the ultra-wealthy. Musk's interest in a government efficiency role under a potential Trump administration has sparked concerns. His significant business interests and past regulatory conflicts make this a contentious issue. Musk has been actively supporting Trump's campaign, transforming his platform X into a campaign tool. Critics argue his motivations are more about influencing government operations that affect his businesses rather than genuine efficiency improvements. Meta has followed in Musk's footsteps by suspending Instagram and Threads accounts tracking private jets of high-profile individuals, including Musk himself. This move mirrors actions taken by Musk's platform X and has ignited debates over free speech and privacy. Critics see it as limiting access to public information, while supporters argue it's necessary for safety. The decision highlights the ongoing tension between transparency and privacy in the digital age. Elon Musk's political activities continue to stir controversy as he pledges $1 million a day to voters supporting the First and Second Amendments through his America PAC. This initiative, launched after endorsing Trump, raises legal concerns. Musk's push for deregulation and fewer government constraints aligns with his broader business strategies, sparking discussions about potential conflicts of interest if he assumes a governmental role. In India, Musk's Starlink is in a heated competition with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance for the satellite broadband market. The Indian government's decision to allocate satellite spectrum administratively rather than through auctions has intensified this rivalry. With a significant portion of India's population lacking internet access, both companies aim to bridge this digital divide. However, Starlink's higher costs compared to local providers could pose challenges without government support. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk and his ventures insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and analysis. Stay curious and informed.